Now is not the time for fear. That comes later. Uh-oh. So guess what that means? That means step into your shit. You can't be, damn, I probably do need to pull up this map of consciousness. All right, fuck it. Y'all made me do it. See how y'all do? I'm gonna come back to this, don't worry. God damn. Playing with y'all. Y'all got me fucked up in this bitch. Y'all think it's a game? Okay, we're gonna play some games. Yes. Yeah. Now we gotta pull up this whole map of consciousness so y'all can feel the vibration. Boom. Quickly. Look right here. Hey, where is the fear at? Now, this is where some of y'all might be vibrating from, right? Still in that fear space, still in that fear zone. What did Bane say? Now is not the time for fear. That comes later. Run into that shit and don't think about it. You got to be courageous. Step into your power. Step into your zone. Once you get through that courage, you breaking through into the love frequency. And once you in that love frequency, guess what? That means you're doing something that you enjoy to do. Right? Don't worry, I'm gonna keep that just for y'all. Just in case y'all get froggy.